In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download an app from the Google Play Store. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to confidently find, install, and open any app you want on your Android device. Let's start right from your home screen. First, unlock your phone or tablet so you're looking at your main home screen. What you want to find is the Play Store app. Its icon usually looks like a colorful triangle. It might be on your main screen, or you might need to swipe up or tap an Apps button to open your full list of apps. Take a moment to look through your apps until you see the one labeled Play Store, then tap it once to open. When the Google Play Store opens, you'll be taken to the main page. At the top of the screen, you'll see a search bar. This is where you'll type the name of the app you want to download. Tap on the search bar, and your keyboard should pop up. Carefully type the app's name. Try to be as accurate as possible so you get the right result, especially if there are similar apps with similar names. After you've typed the name, tap the search button on your keyboard. The Play Store will now show you a list of apps that match your search. Look through the results and find the exact app you're looking for. You can usually recognize it by its icon and the developer name underneath the title. When you've found it, tap on the app to open its details page. On this page, you'll see an install button. Before you tap it, you might want to scroll down a little to check the app's rating, read a few reviews, and glance at the screenshots. This helps you confirm it's trustworthy and does what you expect. When you're ready, tap the install button. Your device will begin downloading the app. You'll see a progress indicator, and once the download finishes, the app will automatically install. When the installation is complete, that install button will change to an open button. Go ahead and tap open to launch the app for the first time. The app will now start, and you can go through any initial setup it requires. From now on, you'll find this app in your list of apps, and you can also place it on your home screen for quick access. And that's all you need to download an app from the Google Play Store.